parking mode off.
This is the job shit.
You working?
Yeah. I just did a wheel alignment.
I gotta go see my wife right now. She's waiting for me.
You better hurry up, boy. Traffic's about to build up right now. Oh no, it's Martin Luther King Day. Everybody off, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you good? Everything good with you though, Pac? Everything good?
Baby mama and my daughter.
I've been staying up since my dad left, yeah. It's quiet, so I just be here. I'll call you tonight if you're up. I know, I will.
Not too late.
I will, I got you. I know, I will.
Not too late.
I will, I got you. I'm good, brother. You? Tranquilo? It's too cold. You look warm, though, bro. You look good. You look warm. So, I'm just saying what's up. No. I wish I was rich. But, I'm just fucking other niggas' shits up. Yeah, why? Huh? No, I'm putting in a lot. No, actually, the waiter. Why, you want to ride? There's a waiter. I'm just driving around. There's a waiter. I'm just driving around. Look at this shit. This shit alright, yo. This G right alright, look. Look. Damn, this shit kick. I'm wilding on the app, right?
Yeah, you really are.
They got the wrong one test drive in this car. I'm hitting this shit. Damn, this shit hit, baby. Babe, you gotta understand one thing, babe. I got the wheel for shit like this, like. I love this shit. Yeah. I miss you too, babe. That's why I'm speeding out here, you heard? I'm wilding for respect. This should be burning out, babe. What? Now my face. It's my pimples. I mean my pimples, my facial hair. Whoa. Whoa. This shit hit, bro. I am, babe. Yeah. Yo, this should be hitting, bro. This should be hitting.
I was like, damn, that's a good ride.
Well, let's go, come on. Let's go on the block real quick. Come with me.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna put my boy on a ride real quick.
Yeah, he must have robbed me.
Wow. Alright, let me call you back, babe.
That shit sounded that gay though. Come on. That looks so heavy, yeah. What is that you?
Right now.
Oh yeah. What? I don't know how to drive stick.
You don't?
Nope.
For real?
That ass.
Wanna try?
Nope.
You sure?
I don't even want to attempt.
Oh, you know what?
I'm not even in the interest of learning.
For real? You feel it though, right? You feel
Yeah,
that?
you can feel the.
You're pushing my insides in.
This is my sports mode. You want to push a little button?
Man, you gotta have that shit, bro. This shit fire. Bro just learned.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, he didn't know. He didn't know.
I'm ready to eat back on Julian.
What?
He backed on Julian because
Oh,
he didn't know how
yeah,
to speak. He was mad as hell. He was like,
Julian's
yo,
an
I need your
asshole,
help.
man. That nigga Julian really be an asshole here.
Nah, it's
I think it's.
people play around, bro. It's nothing wrong playing around. It's that certain people just can't handle it sometimes. Like, bro, he couldn't handle it because he was
Nah,
trying to work.
No, Julian wasn't playing around though. That's the thing. No,
he said that wasn't gonna help him.
It wasn't gonna help him.
Oh, so then that's just.
That's what I'm saying. Like, sometimes it takes it too far.
You can't do to the people that's not gonna help you out.
Yeah. And he's also like, even if he was joking, the way he says it sometimes don't come off that way. going, and all of a sudden the cars was like,
I didn't know it had it in them.
That shit was like a movie. Nigga.
I didn't know it had it in
I
them.
went into the future. Where you put me? What year is it? Oh my god, we went back in time actually, apparently, according to you.
Oh, this shit smoking?
This nigga said, oh man, now we gotta drive it again.
Leave this shit right here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know.
That was fun.
You gotta drive it next time, bro.
I need a sticker.
Don't be scared. You just gotta hit him with a stick. I'll show you, bro. Let's go. I'll show you, bro. Come on. Tell him, bro. Tell him I show him real quick. Alright, go first. You go next. You already went first. Alright, go first. You go next. You already went first. Let him in the back. Let him fuck it. Let's go. We go get a short. Aaron, get the fuck out of here. This shit hit though, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And I just put a wheel alignment. This shit straight as fuck. You put what? You did alignment? Nigga, my thighs. The trap right now? Oh, you don't know what you're doing, bro. You don't know what you're doing, bro. This shit is so fun. Alright, then get out the car. Let me show you on the block how this shit really hit. Let me show you how this shit really hit. Step on the brakes. Let's go. I'll show you how to hit this shit. Where do I go? I want to switch somewhere. I'll show you how to hit this shit. Where do I go? I want to switch somewhere. It's supposed to smell like that or not?
This nigga turned this shit into extra young, bro. He's burning the shell. It just smell like exhaust. You just smell like exhaust?
Yeah, because you're burning the clutch. You gotta let go of the clutch. You can't be on the clutch all the time.
I know.
You smell it?
I'm not good at this yet.
You're gonna learn.
How do you take a fucking move?
You gotta see this. You gotta go back to the future with us real quick.
Watch how this shit takes.
I came in late. Watch me coming early. Watch me coming early,
You're
nigga.
gonna clock in at 7 a.m. yesterday.
You're not gonna cop on us.
But nigga, listen. You gotta don't put yourself stiff, nigga. Leave your body limp.
Yeah, they're gonna feel that.
You gotta enjoy it. Don't be on some stiff dick like, ooh, I got this. Nigga, this isn't gonna have footprints on the seats.
I thought I goes around the whip right now. I'm like, oh, how you doing? Hey, that shit just going on him.
Just turn left on right.
I don't know. Look, see, I'm going break.
You would have died right now. You would have not.
I would have hit this shit up and out, nigga.
You would have not came into work at all. And they catch all of us in here though. I'm about to die right now. I'm in an awkward ass position. How long you been driving sick for? Why you should shake sick for? Why you should shake like that? Get me out right here though, so they don't see all three of us in the car.
Let me see that video. Send that to me.
You can't even hear the car though.
Nigga, my neck hurt. Nigga, you put. Oh shit! Send me that shit, bro. Open this up. He's styling.
What the fuck, you faggot?
Whatever.
Yo, this is a really nice car. I hope the owner doesn't get upset.
He's gonna get upset.
No, it's a great car. It's beautiful. It's pretty. Yeah. Ride's good. They need 3 people just for the weight, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, ride's good. It needed 3 people just for the weight, you know?
Okay.